Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler. We got some nice black and silver accents on this vehicle with a nice remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months, blind spot detection. And moving to the front here, we got a license plate bracket and a hood deflector with that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with plenty of cargo space. You can collapse your last row and move the seats forward and back for additional storage. 12-volt hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. And of course, you can lift this up for more storage and a spare tire underneath. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, adjustable rear seats with a carpeted interior, floor mats, cloth floor mats, plenty of door space in the back with rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, liftgate, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 60,668 kilometers. We get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, photography screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have lane centering and digital speedometer with my view, trip reveal, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my rear, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, and of course you do get some more storage underneath. We do get a dual zone climate up front, heated front seats and steering wheel, storage below, media and hazards with audio, compass and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls. You can see it's been previously connected, or connect your phone. Apps such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8125, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.